Hi everyone. Today I want to teach you what's map in JavaScript. The map object holds key value pairs and remember the original insertion order of the key. Any value of both object and primitive value may be used in either a key or a value. This is the syntax of the map which you see in the footer. Let's work through example of map method here which you saw now. Let's do it. Const names equal to array 1 2 3 4 and 5. We want to multiple each one itself. Const square names dot map. We have a function which name we have return name multiple. We want to now display alert. We have square. Yeah, we want to refresh again. Yeah, it worked correctly. 1 multiple 1 1, 2 multiple 2 4, 9 16 and 25. Let's work another example here to show the first character of the name with capitalized. We have constant names equal to, for example, Ilyas, which is my name, Abdul, Ali, and Qurban. We wanted to display each first character in capitals. We use as map const capital equal names dot map. We have function by the name of name. Okay, we don't need to hear function. We have a name we want to use from arrow key. Name first character which index 0 to uppercase, and name dot slice. Yeah, here also we have like this. Now we need to alert capital. Now we are going to show Ilyas, Abe, all the capitals come, but here we have 2E. Let's remove one of them by putting 1 here. Now again, Ilyas, Abdul, Ali, Qurban. Each first characters come to capitalize. And then another challenge which work const country Afghanistan. Next one we have Pakistan and America. We want to show you in inside of paragraph const paragraph equal to country dot map. We have name. We have arrow key and template write the name of now we want to display it alert paragraph. Now refreshed again. Yeah, all of them. Afghanistan government paragraph, Pakistan also, American. Thanks for your nice watching, and if it was